Hi, and welcome to Breathe Free. My name's Adam, and if you're here, it probably means you've thought about quitting smoking, maybe more than once. This channel isn't just about information, it's about freedom. Freedom from the habit, the guilt, the smell, the cost, and the hold cigarettes have on our lives. Let me tell you why I started this. I smoked for years. I don't even remember when it became part of my daily routine. One cigarette during stress, another after meals, one more when I was bored. It slowly controlled everything. And I always said the same thing. I'll quit, just not today. Too much stress. Not the right time. Next Monday. Sound familiar? One morning I woke up and couldn't take a deep breath. Not fully. I wasn't sick. I wasn't out of shape. I was just done. That was the moment. The moment I realized smoking isn't helping me live. It's stopping me from living. So I quit. It wasn't easy, but it was possible. And every day since then, I've taken back a little more of my life, one breath at a time. I created Breathe Free for people like me, people like you, people who are tired of feeling trapped, who want support, not judgment. Real advice, real stories, real hope. Here's what you'll find on this channel. Simple, science-backed videos about what smoking actually does to your body. Easy steps to quit, even if you've failed before. Inspiring stories from people who've walked away from cigarettes and never looked back. And most importantly, motivation. The kind that hits when you need it most. This isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Whether you're thinking about quitting, already trying, or starting over for the 10th time, you belong here. So if you're ready to breathe easier, sleep better, save money, and take your freedom back, subscribe. Leave a comment below. I thought about quitting when... You never know who your story might inspire. Let's make this journey together. Let's breathe free.